Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure both your Sony Google TV and your mobile are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids discovery issues. Once done, wake the TV and set it to the Google TV home input so it can accept a cast. On your phone, open an app that supports casting, YouTube, Chrome, or Photos, because the app initiates the connection. Tap the cast icon and watch devices appear. Select your Sony Google TV to begin the pairing handshake. After selecting your Sony Google TV, you'll often see a prompt on both devices asking to confirm the connection. Accept it so the link is established. Make sure your mobile grants any requested permissions, location, or local network, because modern OSes block discovery without them. Then choose exactly what to cast: a video, a browser tab, or your entire screen. Adjust volume from either device, and make sure to use the TV's remote to set input or picture mode for best playback. To finish, stop casting from the app or tap the cast icon again to disconnect cleanly. This prevents lingering sessions. If your phone doesn't see the Sony Google TV, restart the phone, TV, or Wi-Fi router to clear network caches and reinitiate discovery. Make sure the TV firmware and the mobile apps are updated because compatibility issues often block casting. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable guest mode or mobile hotspot on the phone, then retry discovery to avoid interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.